going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back from another video. So today, from the title, you guys already know I'm super excited. I didn't quite tell you guys, but in a video I made in 2019, I did say what some plans are for the build. So boost this one, big brakes this one, so this is what it is. I've been waiting for a little while now, and it's actually during my lunch break at work and decided to rush over here. So big shout out to my brother. Basically, we need to have a business address to ship it to because it's pretty big and heavy, and shipping to a business is cheaper. So if you guys need any hardwood tiles, carpet, anything like that here in Central Texas, make sure to hit up Horizon Flooring. Anyway, that's not what you guys are here for. Let me show you guys what I got. I'm super excited. So like I said, picked up some big brake kit, and I'll show you guys later because I haven't seen it myself yet. I just saw the big package, but here's where it is. Do you guys like it? My new big brake kit. So these are the fronts, that's the rear. Cheapest big brake kit ever. Alright, just messing with y'all, but basically I got the stickers because just in case if the Brembo stickers are bad, I can put them on. So these are Brembos. I'm not just slapping stickers on a non-Brembo caliper. But basically what I got was a custom setup. So if you guys know big brakes, you would know that Brembos are really expensive. Any big brake kit is super expensive. And typically I got fronts and rears. So typically a front, if you get like a 4 pistons, and a rear like a 1 or 2 pistons, a whole set could cost anywhere from like $3,000 to $5,000. And typically Brembos themselves are really expensive already since they're a top-notch brand. I got a custom setup from a CTSV, so 6 pots in the front, 6 piston fronts and 1 piston in the rear. And basically, like I said, the fronts are off a CTSV, Cadillac CTSV, custom made to fit, and then the rears are off the Evo 10, also custom made to fit the Lancer or Ralliart. So without further ado, let me check out the package. Like I said, I haven't seen it yet. Get to unboxing it and show you guys what's in there. Alright, so here's the package. Like I said, it is pretty big. That's why I had it shipped to a business address. So again, big thank you to my brother. We're at the back of the warehouse. So right now, I'm gonna get to unboxing it. It is pretty heavy, probably like 300 pounds. Gonna get to using a box cutter and cut it open and show you guys what's inside. Alright, so went ahead and took everything out from this box. It came in this big pallet over here, like I said, because it's heavy. They had to do freight shipping. So this is what everything is here. So it's in bubble wrap. So these are the Brembos. They do come in yellow color. So like I said, 6 pistons fronts. I got the whole set. So it came with slotted rotors. So the 2 fronts, calipers, 6 pistons, stainless steel brake lines, as well as slotted rotors. And then this is the rear. So if you can see here, like I said, that is the Evo 10 rear Brembo. That was powder coated yellow to match the fronts. Basically these do have to be, I guess, like made with custom brackets to make it fit. It doesn't fit 100% accurate. You do have to shave down some of it. And in order to fit it to a Lancer, you also do need a Ralliart rear trailing arm. So this is what this is here. So again, come with the slotted rotors, stainless steel brake lines. You can see the stainless steel brake line right here, and the Ralliart rear trailing arm. So I do want to open these up, but I think it's easier to transport it and ship it back to my place. Easier if it's packaged like this. So I'll be sure to open it all up to show you guys before I get them installed. So I'm hoping to put these on the car pretty soon. So stay tuned. Hopefully the next video or the next few videos, I'll be able to have an install video of it being put on. And you guys might be wondering, why do I say these are cheap Brembos? So they aren't exactly cheap. So like I said earlier, Brembos or any big brake kit typically costs anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 easily if you want to get a whole set all around, front and rears. It depends on the size as well. But basically I picked these up for a pretty good price. I got them used, which is okay with me. A previous owner, you know, he went through the whole trouble of getting the rears, I guess, shaved and custom brackets and all that ready to bolt onto the car. So like I said, by cheap I don't mean like $10 or $50 or anything crazy like that, because there's no way you can get a big brake kit for that cheap. If you guys want to know the price, basically for all 4, so again, 6 piston Brembo front calipers, stainless steel brake lines, slotted rotors, And then on the rear we have the Ralliart trailing arm, the Evo 10 Brembos in the rear with the slotted rotors and stainless steel brake lines, and I believe they do come with the brake pads as well. So for all that I paid $1,500. So not exactly cheap, but you know, it's way cheaper than what I would have paid for a whole set of Brembos. The whole set, if I were to, you know, buy it individually, I believe they should be close to maybe $5,000. So that is a fraction of the price. So I do know whether it's the Cadillac CTS-V or the Corvette brakes, a lot of guys actually customize them so you can make them fit on your 240SX, on your Lancer, a whole bunch of cars. You can customize it to make it fit. If you guys are wondering, can the Evo 10 Brembos fit on the Mitsubishi Lancer or Ralliart, I've seen them being done. You can actually get a whole set, not too expensive, below $1,000. I believe I've seen it for as cheap as $500–600 for Evo 10 Brembos. But I do know they need pretty extensive modifications to fit something like the mounting brackets or something like that. So I don't know the specifics, but like I said, for the Cadillac CTS-V brakes, they're not 100% bolt-on. There's a guy who goes by Andrew Pye who actually builds these. If you wanted to get a set off him just for the fronts, I think he sells that for about $1,300. So considering I paid $1,500 for the fronts and rears with the rotors and stainless steel brake lines and all that, is a pretty good deal. So again, you guys stay to the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, because I know you guys want to see this big brake kit install. I'm going to tell you guys how it feels, how it looks, and I'm pretty excited for that as well. Weekfest Texas is coming up pretty soon, so this will be a pretty big surprise on the car. We'll also be putting a bunch of turbo stuff in the car pretty soon. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video.